This 0.34-acre wooded lot in Lake Crest III Subdivision, Wagoner County, Oklahoma, is perfect for nature enthusiasts. It offers an ideal spot for fishing trips and is surrounded by wildlife. Mobile homes, stick builds, and manufactured homes are permitted on the property. While electricity is nearby, it will require installation. Water is provided by the Rural Water District, with the option for a private well, and a septic system is required. Whether you're seeking a weekend escape or a new permanent residence, come and enjoy Oklahoma's beauty here. Owner financing is available. Don't miss out on this chance. At AGT Properties, we make it easy for anyone to own land in Wagoner County, Oklahoma. Make your dreams come true today. Choose AGT Properties. Investments for a lifetime.